Okay, so I have a custom application on WordPress. That's what I'm developing right now. But that's not what this video is about. The video is about this little fella right here, this tiny navigation text saying older posts. This is the default, and if I click on it, and it gives me older posts and newer posts. Basically, this is the navigation or pagination that WordPress provides us by default. And if you look at this corner, it's coming from the category.php. So I need to change this text and put in exactly what I want it to, because I'm not even calling these guys posts, I'm calling them lists. And also I don't need to show older or newer. I just want to go simply previous and next. And that's going to be, this video is all about how to change this programmatically. Let's get started. Okay, so we are at the WordPress backend and we tracked it down to this page right here, this template, category.php. Just to make sure, let's go back. And if you look in this corner, lower right hand corner, you see the current template is category.php. So now let's go back. All right, and when we dig down to the code, we find this function right here is giving us those navigation links and the text, the posts navigation. And this is a pretty common one. If we look through all the default templates like index.php, we find it here. We go to archive.php, we find it here. But what we need to do is to change here, the category.php, because that's where we are. But before we do, let's go to the documentation for a second. And this is the documentation for this function, the post navigation, and looks like it does take an arguments array, even though it doesn't much say here, but that's what we're going to use to change our text when necessary. Now let's go back. We're going to change the older post and the newer post, which is coming by default. So let's start with giving it an argument array. And first we're going to say priv text or previous text, previous lists. That's what I am setting it to. Currently it is saying older posts. Let's go back. Now the next text. Here we're going to say next lists. As it's saying by default, newer posts. Okay, so now that we have all our arguments set, we're going to save this, go back, and let's keep an eye out here. Let's go refresh. And there you go. We have our text changed to exactly what we wanted. And that should be all for this short video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please smash the like button and the subscribe button. This will help me bring more free contents like this to you every week. Thanks again.